Welcome back, traders. And hey, look at that. Another $670 profit thanks to Bitcoin. Lovely. All right, let's have a look at a trade setup here on the Euro Kiwi. If you remember, I think early last week, we set up this trade here. We found the Fibonacci lines. We saw that we had an ascending channel that's forming across here. Well, it looks like it is coming true. We've had the market come, it traded within the range, and it's coming right down, and it looks like it's bouncing off this line right now. The other wonderful thing to notice is that if we look at these Fibonacci lines, we see that the 61.8 line over here is just a little bit below where the market is coming from. So it's another reason why we do suspect that the market might be changing, and this looks like a fantastic place to get in. So we'd need to wait for some kind of candle confirmation. Maybe if you're using a crossover system, we're looking for a bullish crossover at this point. We just need another reason to enter the market for a long position. However, it has come at a reasonably bad time because we do have some more fundamentals coming, and some of these fundamentals make it look as though that this market will continue to come tumbling down. Angela Merkel from Germany is trying to form a coalition to strengthen their position. Now, Germany is one of the biggest main players inside the Eurozone, and whenever we find that they're starting to have a bit of issues, if there's loss of support in leadership, or if business is not doing well in Germany, anything that affects the German economy ripples through and affects pretty much all of the Euro. Now, if Angela Merkel is not able to form the coalition to get it running properly and get more foreign investors coming back into the country, then we will see that the euro will continue to weaken. This means that this line will be broken and the market will most likely continue to come down. So we would like to sit and watch those fundamentals at this point, because that could be an amazing entry for the market to keep tumbling down, and then we'll be in a fantastic short position and catch it reasonably early. If she does manage to sort things out and things start looking up for Merkel, then this would be the ideal time for it to happen, because we'll have both technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis confirming that this is time for a bullish position, and then we'll be able to ride this trade for hopefully a week, maybe 2 weeks, and go for one of those 500 pip trades. Let's have a quick look at the three cryptocurrencies that we are most interested in. I'm looking at the Bitcoin. This is the currency that I have that I'm trading right now. The other two that I'm looking at is the Ethereum and Litecoin. Now, you'll notice that both Litecoin and Ethereum have been trading solidly up. We've had fantastic bullish movements over the last couple days. Especially Litecoin has grown phenomenally well. Bitcoin seems to be stumbling a little bit. Now, keep in mind that at this point, Bitcoin has been released for CFDs. It can now be traded through stock exchanges and that sort of thing. So the market is trying to respond, trying to figure out exactly, is this really good? Is this not so good? I believe in the long term it's good. It means that there's more regulation coming in, which will make Bitcoin even safer than it already currently is. The only drawback is that with too much government regulation, it might take away some of the nice features about Bitcoin. So I think investors are trying to figure out exactly what's happening there. So we are still seeing growth, and the markets are making it look like we should have more growth, but we should expect a bit of a stumbling block at the moment. Some investors are predicting that there is going to be a bubble pop, because this has been growing too quickly. So that's another thing that we should be looking out for. But if it's anything like the bubble in 2011 that burst, shortly after it burst, the market came tumbling down, but then it started skyrocketing even faster than it was before, heading in a bullish movement. So either way, what's really nice about trading Bitcoin on a platform like MetaTrader provided by JP Markets is that we can trade it down as well. If you have bought physical Bitcoin, you can only lose money when it comes down. But if you're trading through a platform like this, we can profit as it falls. Alright guys, just make sure you're keeping posted on this. We are going to be releasing a series of videos specifically around Bitcoin and the other popular cryptocurrencies. So look out for that.